Hello again, and welcome to FIRST Robotics Canada's fourth video in our beginner FRC Java programming tutorial series. This video is a short one. We're going to be making an autonomous command using the drive subsystem that we made. We're going to make a command that drives forward until the command times out. The reason why we're making this specific command is that every single year, without fail, simply driving forward to a certain point on the field earns you points during autonomous. I'm going to give you a simple leg up on how to do just that. As always, documentation can be found on FIRST Robotics Canada's GitHub page. The link to our profile, as well as other resources, can be found in the description box below. Let's start off by making a command. I'm going to call mine drive forward timeout command to keep things nice and organized. From then, we're going to access our robot class. As a safety precaution, as always, we're going to initialize by making sure our motors are all stopped. This time though, we're also going to set a timeout, which we will set to a default of 3 seconds. This value can be edited, of course, and if you'd like more flexibility with this command, you can even make the setTimeout method take in a variable which you define in a constructor. This is a double value which corresponds to the number of seconds you would like the timer to run. In execute, I'm calling our drive method, which I have given a full forward speed of 1 and a 0 rotation speed. This can also be edited to your needs. If you recall, the isFinished condition returns a boolean, and once isFinished returns true, the command exits the execute method and goes immediately to end. I have returned the method isTimedOut, which returns a true or false value. False if the timeout is still going, and true if it has timed out. Once your timer runs out, it goes to end, where we stop the motors. Once again, we called end and interrupted to stop the command in case something spooky happens. Now let's actually get our command to work during autonomous. We're going to instantiate a command object named after our command that we made, with the other command objects to keep things organized, and then we're going to start our command in autonomous init so our command can start and run as soon as autonomous begins. Make sure you don't put the command in autonomous periodic, or else the command will restart every single time it loops, and so you'll drive forward, probably in a jitter, for the whole autonomous period. And doing that might lead you to crashing into the opposite alliance wall or another robot, which is often against the rules. And we're done. That's that. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video, and be sure to tune in next time for our next installation in the series, using a motor for a robot subsystem. Until next time!